What's up, YouTube? Put on Shot Bell, know the video, you know what I'm saying? And today, I'm gonna be taking my girlfriend to the gun range. This gonna be her first time. So we're going to a gun range in Columbus. So y'all stay tuned for that. And my front camera messed up. So y'all don't joke. I know y'all see the little glare, but my front camera messed up. So I'm gonna keep y'all updated on the whole journey. I'm gonna let y'all see us actually shooting the guns and stuff. So yeah, comment, like, subscribe, you know what I'm saying? Stay tuned, share it with your friend, family, mom, dad, granddaddy, anybody. You know what I'm saying? They paid, we're gonna be lit. I drop music, I drop all type stuff, so stay tuned. Comment down below, we got pranks, all type stuff, so, you know what I'm saying? I'm not just a music artist, they're gonna be a fun, lit page. You know what I'm saying? I'm also dropping my music on here too, but y'all just stay tuned. I've been rocking with them sour skittles. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all when we get to the gas station. Well, we already at the gas station, but I gotta put gas in the car. So, you know what I'm saying? I'm really ready to get there to show y'all. I might purchase a gun. I don't know. I'm gonna let y'all know. Cause my birthday coming up on the 27th. So I might purchase a gun for my birthday and come and get it on my birthday, you know what I'm saying? So y'all comment down below what gunshot I get. So let y'all know when we on the road. Alright, YouTube, we made it. We in the store now. I'm looking at guns, as y'all can see. It's a big store, so we just looking at a couple few weapons, and after that, we're gonna go to the gun range and we're gonna let y'all see us shoot the guns. So, yeah, right now we're just looking at some of this stuff. They got flamethrowers. They got all types of stuff here. They got everything you can want. They got everything. Like Desert Eagle 50. You know what I'm saying? Shoot. So much. What's up, YouTube? So we're here. We in the main part where they actually shooting the guns. And I'm looking at testing which guns I'm gonna rent. I don't know yet. But I know this might be one. Alright, you say it's 7 plus the ammo?
Yeah, so right now the ammo's at $13.99.
13?
Yeah.
Okay. You gonna need this one?
That's his.
Let me see how it Alright, so YouTube, we finna go get the weapons now. We at Shooters over Columbus. You know what I'm saying? We finna go in the range now. I already rented another one. So we getting ours guns. And you know what I'm saying? We finna go fed. Finna turn up. Hold on, let me grab this book bag real quick.
Vlog.
Hold on, let me see.
Vlog.
Hell yeah, man. Hey.
Vlog.
Hold up, damn, I gotta end that bit, but I'm finna turn the camera out so y'all can see what we got. We got some heavy artillery now, y'all. Hey. Don't play, man. You know what I'm saying? We came prepared for the gun range. Don't mind the shoe right though, but y'all pay attention to the heavy shit. You know what I'm saying? Hold on, let me grab that on. Let me see the key. I need the
Alright, lock that.
Hell yeah, let me. I just need the yeah. Yeah, I got the key. So we're going there now. Bro with me. Got my big bro with me. We out here at the gun range. So you know what I'm saying? We finna turn up.
Get it in, man. Y'all get ready to see how these targets look.
Yes, sir, we're going to the range.
If those are all rifle calibers, you can't shoot them up here. It's pistol and shotgun only.
Oh, dang. All right.
For a rifle, it's either East Alabama Gun Club, Strong Point, or if you can get on base, on base.
All right.
Hey. Appreciate that.
Appreciate it, though. I'm glad he ain't let her go enough in the reason. But, well, it's all about the handguns. I guess they don't let you shoot everything here, so which is all right. We ain't gonna let that stop us from having a good time, though. Man, that was kind of letting out. I did want to shoot the big boy, you know. But yeah, we still got our handguns though. You know what I'm saying? So what? You think I should pull over there? Yeah, they're too far. So I'm finna. So yeah, they won't let us shoot the Dracos. You know what I'm saying? As y'all seen, the dude told us like it had to be shotguns and handguns, or like, you know what I'm saying, which is some bullshit. But we ain't tripping though. We ain't tripping. We still gonna rent. We gonna rent some more guns. I'm gonna rent some more guns. I mean, we got our own guns, but we wanted to shoot a big boy. You know what I'm saying? Like, shit, they won't let us, so we gonna rent some. I'm gonna get some. I might get a little revolver. You know what I'm saying? Just to try it. But I just want to give y'all a good fun, have a fun time with my girlfriend, cause this is her first time ever just doing something like this. So we finna turn up. We finna have a good time. So y'all stay tuned. And make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. You know what I'm saying? We got more videos like they coming. So y'all stay tuned. We out.
We rolling. Yes, sir. Confident.
You gotta be loud.